Squarespace store setup. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up store on Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform designed to help individuals and businesses and creatives build professional-looking website without needing advanced technical skills, in which it offers a wide range of customizable templates optimized for mobile and desktop, allowing users to create a visually appealing websites for various purposes, such as portfolios, blogs, online stores, and business sites. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started button right here. Upon clicking the Get Started button, the next thing that you need to do, or you will be able to be directed on the page in here. And it will ask you what your site about. So let's say we're going to create here a marketing website. So all you need to do is simply go to the search bar and type marketing. And you could also select some of the popular in here. We have here photography, art, weddings, and many more. But upon choosing this marketing, just click the next button below. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply select what you want to do with your website. All you need to do is to simply check the boxes right here. You have here build community, sell products, for example, send invoices, send services, and even in here some other option. And now to proceed, just simply click the finish button below in order to start creating the website. And it will show you that you have here the two options to choose from, either using template or using AI. But make sure to also start creating or signing in your account in here. But as you can see, I'm using this AI or Blueprint AI to start creating my store. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the title or the name of your store. And below that, it will show you the brand personality to choose from. But I'm going to choose the professional one. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the next button below. Then you will automatically be able to see here that you can start building your homepage. And let's start by choosing the intro section. You'd also select the product section, appointment services, digital product section, for example, the about section in here, and any other kind of section that you can simply select here. And it will automatically be created. Now moving on, aside from that, you'd also go to this pages section where it will show you some of the pages. And I'm going to click the next button below to proceed. The next thing that you need to do is to choose the color palette. You can simply click on it to see the difference. But in nose option, I'm going to choose this one and click the next button. And after that, you also need to choose the kind of font style that you prefer. So all you need to do is simply select here which one you prefer. And after that, just click the Go to Editor button below. And it will show you that you've now successfully creating your AI website or store. And then from here, you can start navigating your website by scrolling down to see every part or elements in here. And to start editing in here, some of the context, media, and many more, just simply click the edit button on the top left in here to start customizing this store or website. You can also start by editing the header if you want to, such as by choosing some of this navigation menu. And as you can see, we have here the shop, services, about, contact, and many more. But let's say below we're going to start customizing this part or this section. So all you need to do is simply click this edit section. And in this pop-up window, you can choose to edit or customize the design, the background, and even choose the color in here, for example, of the font or background. And for here, I'm just going to simply customize this context and click this edit section. And from here, instead of this expert strategies, I'm going to enter experience, the modern, fashion in here. And that is just only an example in order to see how you can start customizing a context in here. But to start customizing, for example, the featured products, by clicking this one, you simply click again the edit button. Or from here, you can add an image or choose from your computer files or these stock images. All you need to do is simply go to the search bar in here and search, for example, clothes. And it will show you a variety of images that is offered for free. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. Then it will show you the images that you need or that you could also select it. And click, for example, this one and click add image button. Now it will show you in here that the images is now being added to this store product in here. And if you also want to start customizing the context or the title width, you simply do the same process of clicking on it and start editing it depending on your preferences. And let's say, for example, in here, I'm going to enter a bundle of clothes, and for the price, instead of this that says $25, I'm going to make it at least $500. And you could also simply edit the whole section, the background of it, for example, by choosing the art, color. It will show you a variety of color or palette to choose from. I'm going to choose this one, for example, or this one. All you need to do is simply select here the kind of color. As you can see, we have now successfully changed it. Moving on, if you also want to start customizing the plan section, you could also do the same process of editing or customizing it by clicking on it and click the edit section. But to add a section by clicking this button, on this pop-up window, you simply select the kind of section that you want to add. For example, portfolios. You simply select here the kind of portfolios that you want to add. For example, this one. By clicking on it, you should be able to see here that the portfolio has now been added. You can simply scroll down in here to see what it looks like, or even add this kind of button that you prefer. And now in this section, you could also add more block, and to do so by clicking add block button in here, you can add your text, a button, image. All you need to do is simply select any kind of element or block that you prefer to add. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate to customize the mobile phone view on the top right corner. For example, all you need to do is simply click here, this phone icon. Then you should be able to see here the mobile view, where you could also customize the arrangement, the elements, and even some of the contents it contains. But moving on to this footer section, from here, we can start adding our contact or our location by clicking edit footers. So simply click here or choose to enter our contact details and even our location in here. But at this point, I'm not going to enter anything or make it default. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top left in order to save it. As you can see, we've now successfully saved our store in here. And upon exiting it on the left side panel, you can also navigate some of the pages, the product and services. By clicking the products, you should be able to see here that you can also add a product or services, a gift card. While under the product section, you should be able to see here the list of your product contains on your store with the corresponding prices that you could also navigate. You can simply click on it to add a product or even customize the whole details of it. Now moving on, you could also navigate some other options. On the left side panel, we have here this content, membership, the scheduling, the donations, invoicing, email campaigns, contacts, analytics, and many more, which is also very helpful to navigate in creating or building your own store in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can start setting up a Squarespace store. Thank you.